2 questions to never ask credit repair companies. Question number 1 that I get the most is, how long will it take? Look, to tell you the truth, nobody really knows 100% how long it will take for somebody to fix your credit. All I can tell you on my side, if you ask me that, is that typically our clients are finished credit repair in like 3 months to 6 months. That's what I would normally tell people, although a lot of times it has been way sooner. It's been 2 weeks or 30 days for some people, but I would typically say 3 months to 6 months, because that's like when our longest clients will normally last. Like 6 months will probably be the longest. So in very extreme cases, like if your credit monitoring isn't working and we can't see your credit report, or we can't get in touch with you, or if you're doing like a monthly service and you haven't paid, we will not work on your profile and it'll prolong it. But for the most part, nobody knows how long it'll take, because we can't go to the bureaus and say, hey, my client paid this much money, we need this off in 30, 45 days. It doesn't work like that. So when you ask that question, most of the time what you're going to get from somebody is a lie. If they say, oh, it's going to be 30 days, it's going to be 60 days guaranteed, it's going to be 90 days, they're probably lying to you, or they're doing something illegal. And we don't do either one of them. The second question you want to ask credit repair companies before you sign up is, it's been 2 days, man, when will I see some results? So look, every company is not like us. Everybody else doesn't get results as fast as we do. So I've had an instance before where I had a lady who called, and it was like 3 days after she signed up, and she already had deletions on her credit. She had like 2 collections that was removed and some inquiries that was removed, and only 2 days of signing up with us. So for everybody else, it's not going to be the same. Most people get results in like 30 to 45 days. So if you're in that much of a hurry to do credit repair, you need to just pump your brakes a little bit, slow down, because credit repair sometimes takes long, especially for other companies. It takes a lot longer than it does with us. So you just want to have that in mind. I personally tell everybody, wait 3 to 6 months. If you sign up with somebody, look at 3 to 6 months at the bare minimum before you really start seeing results with them. With us, it would probably be 3 to 6 months and you'd be completely finished. But for most people, that's what you're going to be looking at. So when they come to you and they're like, oh yeah, we only charge $10 to clean your credit completely in 35 days. They're probably lying to you. They just want to get you money. And if they do clean your credit in 30-something days, you might want to look over your shoulder a little bit, because a lot of people out here doing some really fraudulent stuff. There's a lot of people that create like fake police reports. They put your name on it, a fake police report with a real police officer's name, and then your name's on that paper. So you can just look this up. Somebody just went to jail for the same exact thing. Credit repair company just went to jail for the same thing. So some of these companies, they're not the best ones to deal with, but that's a question that you should never just ask. Just from my experience, because nobody really knows how long it takes. They can just give you a general understanding. And if they give you an exact date, that's a red flag to me.